Hi everyone, this is Colleen from Saratoga Arms, and I'm going to make for you today a strawberry hibiscus rosé float. And you just need a few things. A good rosé, we have Whispering Angel, which is delicious. We've got our sorbet, which you could use any kind, and our garnishes. So let's get started. Very easy. About 2 or 3 scoops of the sorbet into your glass. Let's do 3. Very nice. And we're going to put the Whispering Angel over the top. Don't drink out of the bottle. Looks delicious already. And how about some garnish? A little rosemary and a strawberry on the side. Cheers!